Welcome to Chandu's kitchen.
Hi viewers, let's see how to prepare tandoori chicken drumsticks. And let's check the ingredients. Chicken drumsticks, salt, cumin powder, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, garam masala and half lime. A mixing bowl, curd, butter cubes, oil. Slightly cut the chicken drumsticks with help of a sharp knife so that it gives a nice cut. The reason to do so is to allow the flavors of the masala to go deep inside the chicken drumsticks. Take a mixing bowl, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of curd. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and ginger garlic paste. Now I'm squeezing half a lemon. Gently mix the ingredients until you get a fine paste. Now let's marinate the chicken drumsticks. Once the masala is ready, add the chicken drumsticks to the bowl. Spread the masala evenly on the chicken drumsticks and ensure the masala covers the cuts made earlier. Let it marinate for an hour at room temperature. Now switch on the stove. Once the frying pan is hot, add some oil. Add a cube of butter. Once the butter is melted, place the chicken drumsticks on the frying pan. Make sure you don't overload the pan because it traps a lot of moisture. So place the chicken drumsticks apart and let it cook and get roasted evenly. Turn the chicken drumsticks at equal intervals until it cooks thoroughly. It has to be cooked at least for 5 to 10 minutes in a frying pan in a low flame. Now it has cooked well and it has roasted all over. So now it's time to switch off the stove. I have used a skewer. So grease the skewer with the oil and gently insert all the chicken drumsticks. This tandoori chicken drumsticks tastes awesome with mint green dip. Please check the link above. This is how I make a home grill setup. I have used a aluminium foil. Let's switch on the stove. and start grilling the chicken drumsticks. Let the chicken drumsticks get grilled at a low flame. This is to impart a smoky flavor. You may also use charcoal if available. And we have got the desired color and texture of the drumsticks. Now our aromatic tandoori chicken drumsticks are ready. Try this recipe. Hope you love it. Also like this video. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.